So where do home buyers come from? We've got the answer. Historically, 40% of buyers come from a realtor or a brokerage. 20% of the buyers come from seeing a for sale sign. 18 responded to a property ad but ended up purchasing a different home with that realtor. 8% attended an open house but actually ended up buying a different home with the realtor that was holding the open house. 7% are referrals from relocation companies. 3% bought a home off of the ad they responded to. 3% actually bought for a combination of these reasons, and only 1% bought a home from an open house that they actually attended. When you look to hire a realtor, of course, be sure that they have enough skills and sales history to handle the sale of your home. But most importantly, find a full-time professional who has a large database of ready, qualified buyers who are in the market to buy. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.